10 impossible rallies in table tennis.
My word. Oh, like that as well. No!
Yeah, Felix. I played against him so many times. Unfortunately, also at this point, it's the longest I've ever played. Maybe craziest because I'm running all around and he's trying to put me really far back, but I'm trying to stay inside. Yeah, he's playing everything to my forehand. Oh. I'm happy I could hit the net at the end. That makes it a bit harder for him to put back on the table. But yeah, this one was so demanding physically. I mean, Felix is just outstanding. He's so fast and his serves are really hard to receive. He's very aggressive, very fast. And I mean, I'm doing what I can. I mean, I'm not as fast as him. I know I'm good in the rallies, so I'm trying to go inside the rallies, which is not easy. And also, I mean, the commentators is really nice to hear. I mean, they are just like that laughing while the point is going on. And yeah, it was very, very demanding physically. I think my heartbeat was over 200 BPM after that. And but yeah, it was a very nice one. We talk a lot about this one with Felix. I mean, he's winning the matches, I'm winning the big points.
Top smash from Devrim Uner. No way! Exhibition stuff from these two. Morgan reminding us here in this game, he's still here.
8-9です。これですね。本当に
Well, the crowd thought that one was...
Oh, these rallies. Oh, goodness me! I can't remember the.
Okay, we'll take it.
About it. What? We have to see this again.
Hang on a sec.
Unbelievable. Look one more time.
Did he touch it? Did he touch it?
Swinging and miss. Follow-up attack.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
再放小球，再来！啊，你没打到！
No! That is insane! Even Zhang Jike. What a shot! Oh my word, I don't think Corker can quite believe it. Good. Watch this shot here. She thought she won it. Now watch this ball. She's turned away.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.